Greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to look at a 1970 Corvette big block. Not too many of those around, but we got one right here. Tell you the details in a moment. Greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we have our newest acquisition here is a 1970 Corvette big block. In other words, a 454 that is a mighty big motor for a little car like this. Nice thing about 1970, they still have chrome bumpers front and rear. If that's important to you, a lot of guys it is. We do have the bump hood. The original color for the car is this color, of course, the dark blue. It also has the 454 motor in it. It's been upgraded with a few additional performance accessories. It is a period correct block, not the one that the car happened to come with, but it has been upgraded substantially. We've got the original rally wheels on the car, original blue interior. It is an automatic, but it does have power steering, I do believe, and power brakes as well. So it's kind of one of those things that, you know, for your entry-level Corvette, this is a really nice, still the Mako Shark look, you know, in 1970. Does have the T-tops, so it can be close to being a convertible by the time you're done. Again, it's just one of those cars that the owner has owned since about 1992. So it's been in the hands of a collector for a long time and has been taken care of as best you can for that many years, and he's done a pretty darn good job. So if you're looking for an entry-level Corvette big block, we've got one right here at Ellingson's. We can find all our information on all of our inventory in our indoor showroom. We have close to 100 vehicles, from Corvettes to street rods to Restomod pickups to restored original cars as well, or even survivors for that matter. So you can visit us at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com for all of our inventory. You can find us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. And you can come and visit us in person if you're so inclined and want to come to Minnesota. We are open Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. We'd love to see you here in Minnesota. Thanks again.